In the bustling city of Techopolis, where innovation thrived and circuits hummed with life, there existed a humble inventor named Oliver. With a passion for robotics and a heart full of dreams, Oliver embarked on a journey to create something extraordinary, a black line follower robot equipped with only 2 IR sensors. Oliver's workshop was a sanctuary of wires, gears, and dreams. With meticulous care, he pieced together the frame of his creation, each joint and connection a testament to his dedication. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the workshop, Oliver powered up his creation for the first time. The 2 gleaming IR sensors, positioned strategically beneath the robot, were its eyes to the world. With bated breath, Oliver released the robot onto the smooth, black surface of the testing ground, a winding maze of lines and curves. But as Shadow ventured deeper into the maze, Oliver noticed a flaw in his design. The intensity of the light fluctuated, casting irregular shadows across the surface. Undeterred, Oliver retreated to his workshop, his mind ablaze with ideas. He worked tirelessly through the night, tweaking and refining Shadow's programming. At dawn, with a newfound sense of determination, Oliver unveiled Shadow once more. This time, the robot moved with even greater precision, its sensors adapting to the changing light conditions with ease. In the days that followed, word of Oliver's black line follower robot spread throughout Techopolis. And as the sun set on the city once more, casting long shadows across the streets, Oliver knew that he had achieved something truly extraordinary, a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation in the face of darkness.